I don't know if anybody can see this. Spark plug wire back there. It's pulsating. All right, turn it off, Nate. Let's see what we got here. Okay, well, the spark plug wire's fucked because the whole end pulled off and it's barely on there. Just pull the cap off. Yep, there's the other end of the spark plug wire. Oh. Okay, wait a minute. Nate, I see a problem here, bud. Ooh, that motherfucker's hot. Man, where'd you just come from? Grandma's house? Nate, your spark plug's coming out, bud. Like, I am literally taking it out with my fucking hand. God damn, it's hot. Hold on a second. There you go, bud. There's your fucking spark plug falling out, and it's hot as fuck. Yep.